Yeah, my name is Seka Jimo Brown. Here we are asked according to the question. Here we have to have a running via and we make sure the website is running, domain name is registered, implement it to the HTTP free option port 20 and 80 and 443 open, web page visible to the internet, SSH only accessible from the server, and to server we write up the descriptions and to modify and write adding up. And this is my report. This is my report. Yeah, first to talk about the introduction. What is the cloud infrastructure? Is a system as it's like a system which is drastically reduce the cost of operating system, machine, and operating renders. And I'm using Amazon EC2. What's the object of this project? Is to demonstrate how we set up the cloud service and to help in the deployment and understanding the security our communications of the security rules and so and also to demonstrate how to troubleshoot our loopholes that is the open port which is bad so that it cannot be attacked us and prevent this document prevent these problems with using remote SSH by others instead. So we have to allow the SSH server to do that. And also I do the first server which is these are the requirement. This is the creation of the cloud instance. I register the after registering, then you go to the EC2, do that, register and create the machine. After the creation of the machines, and also get my domain from Namecheap. Did the first machines, the Ubuntu. I choose Ubuntu 18.04, and after that, sorry, I'm rushing this through so that I can meet up with the 10 minutes so that it lasts more than the 10 minutes. And I choose the storage, and after the storage, use the key. I have to make sure I create new key because we don't have to use simple one so that it will not be attacked. The first one is you put give it PEM when you create new pin, which is the public one, and you use PuTTY to generate and save it and get your private key, which is very secure. After we've done that, and make sure I allow only SSHs, and these are the ports open. These are all the three ports open, and allow only SSH to allow to log in through that. And then this is the second one, the web server one, s- web server one, and then after that, that's Namecheap where I get my domain. My domain name is IGB Security Solutions.com. I choose this because I would like to continue with it as my security company in the future. And that this to save the to make the name to create the DNS so that it can be public to users. Yeah. So this is AWS through Rule 53. I create the record and address the record to it when I do that. So because I'm not hosting my domain from with AWS, I have to go to Namecheap which I register my domain with. So I configure to my own states customs configurations, which I put all this and below. That's how it look like. And the elastic IP, so that because in AWS, when the instance is closed, the IP will be changing so that to make it elastic and permanent, we have to do this elastic IP address so that it not be hosted to another person or we if not we could generate old IP from someone that already do their own and which can affect us. We don't know what the person has done with the website. And this is my website. You can see it's not secure there. Which after that, I have to make sure it's secure according um to the questions. For me to get the user key, in the AWS. I go to the system log, and this is the screenshot for that. And I log in, which is successful login. Then after that, these are my users, and I have to make sure the website is secured SSL. So this is it, and after that, this is the proof. It's HTTPC now. You can see that the key is there now. It's secured, you know, and this is my certificate. And also security group. We, before they say it has to be open to port 22, port 80, port 3 has to be open, which is that, and there can be only be accessed through SSH, which I did that, and SSH server is allowed. The only one these are not allowed. See, yeah, you can allow that through. That's way you can access the server, and and, and we can see to do that you have to make sure through PuTTY with my terminal we have to change the file. After that, then when I did that, then I successfully log in through my SSH from the first server to the second server. Yeah, and to make my web server to be strong, and the SSH server, I use some of the AWS plugins. One of the plugin is the iTeam plugin, which is the iTeam plugin. Yeah, I have to rush this. Which is the iTeam plugin, and I use that. I did this, and I check it. I map. I see that the port 80, port 43 is open, because we have to make sure SSA is not, so that it cannot be easily accessed by others. When I scan my lab, yeah, XPA is very good for checking cross scripting to this type. So let's SSH to our server. See, oh shit, I'm rushing because there's not much time. Authenticate, browse. Wait. Oh no, not now. Oh, good. So let's SSH to our web server according to the question. SSH Vietnami, right? Vietnami at, what's our IP address again? Web server IP address is 108 108 dot 128.107 dot 204 oh tonight message mode 400 website. Okay, okay. Oh, good. We are allowed to add since our web server mistake. Okay, so we can SSH to our web server now. So let's check. See if we can postpone. Let's check our website, IJB security solutions. Let's go. As we are scanning our web server, let me map as well. Understand? Oh, good. Site is called A. There we go. Security CA trusted. The site is trusted. CA can see your certificate, say algorithm types, crypto and date, see, and also the bit size and sharp 256. For that, and, yeah, and we'll see compliance, everything is good. So we can see what 30 is open for 43 is open according to what they say. Cannot SSH to our server without my others ODOs can SSH to our first server. Let me check this crop scripting with XPA. See if I have check others that is very vulnerable, but our one is medium. It's static analysis, which is very good. Thank you. That's all right.